Assalamu alaikum. Dealing with exam. Today my topic is dealing with exam. Let's start. We are using 6 ways to deal with exam stress. Shine plus train. So let's start. 6 ways to deal with exam stress. We are getting closer to the pointy end of the semester. Classes are ending, all our big assignments are due, and exam time is almost right in front of us. For many students, it is basically feel like you are running away from a pack of hungry wolves through a forest lit with prey. It's not as hopeless as it seems. Here are a few tips anyone can use to keep their cool during exam time. Stay calm. Okay, that's stay calm. Okay, that's easier said than done. Sure, as much as you tell yourself to stay calm, it's not exactly the easiest things in the world. It is, however, the first step you should take when keeping your stress levels at a low during exam time. A good way to maintain this mantra is through breathing. It sounds strange. I know, I thought that too when my psychologist taught me this trick, but it works. Take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it for 3 seconds. Then realize your breath slowly through your mouth. Repeat and concentrate on your breathing until you feel the uneasy feeling of stress has melted away. The second one, choose the healthy option. When we're studying, we tend to let ourselves go with packets of chips and lollies and chocolates where wrappers surrounding our books. We often sit in the same spot for hours on end. If not all day, those things are good for reward when you think something's off your to do list, but not necessarily just to keep you going. It's better to feast on healthier foods while studying to keep your mind focused and alert. Also, it might be a good idea to cut back on your caffeine intake. Try green tea instead. Don't be afraid to jump out of that chair once and while and work some exercise into your study schedule. Taking out 30 minutes a day one it hurts your GPA. Get your 8 hours every night. Next to eating right and getting enough sleep is one of the most important way to look after yourself. During exam time, most people think pulling all nighter to study is going give them a better chance of succeeding in the exam. But the truth is, it's doing more harm than good. You need sleep in the same way that your phone needs to recharge at the end of the each day. Without it, your brain will not be able to remember facts or have the ability to analyze problem, and therefore you will not be able to work at your full potential. Take breaks and take breaks and take the time to relax. You can't study 24 by 7. Let's face it, most of that time would be spent procrastinating because your brain will not be able to focus for that long. It's important to stop and relax. You don't necessarily have to take up meditation or yoga. Those strategies are not for anyone. To stop your brain from getting too tired, you need to take regular breaks. Open your daily schedule and pencil in some time to just sit and read or take a walk around your local park. As simple as they seem, they can make all the difference in your maintaining your stress levels and overall mood. Talk to someone. You will find that there are so many people in the same boat as you. Chat to your family, friends, or even your teacher. The chance are they have been there before and they may be able to give you some great advice to help you cope. Find someone who willing to sit down and listen and see how quickly the weight lifts off your shadows. For extreme cases, counselors, and psychologists are available to give you some professional advice. If opening up to other human beings is hard for you, try writing about it. Is a diary or blog. Writing it out can really make a difference. Don't dwell on what ifs. So the exam is done and you discussing the question with your friends. Some of their answer and different to yours. You start to have regrets about some of your answer. That is dangerous part. You cannot go back, change your answer. Time is up and exam is gone. It's best to avoid chatting about the exam after it's over. Go out and have some fun. You deserve it. After slaving away behind your desk for months, deal with exam when the results come your way. You may have gotten a better result than you think. You don't need a degree in psychology to understand how to cope and with stress. It's simple using small steps to make exam little time a little easier. If you are looking for the best way to get most out of your next season, there are some small changes you can make. Thanks for watching. Your question has completed. Inshallah, we will come next time. So this is a written by words by Jessica Testa.